Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 3 mm hex key to loosen the screws fixing the right-hand turn signal. Disconnect the terminal of the right turn signal. Use a 3 mm hex key to loosen the clamping ring inside the right handlebar grip. Remove the handlebar grip. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the forehead bottom plate. Pull out the hub. Pull out the terminals of the throttle and buttons. Use a 4 mm hex key to remove the right brake lever. Take out the button wire harness from the wire buckle. Use a 3 mm hex key to remove the right button. Install the right hand button. First, pre-tighten the fixing screws of the right button. Install the right brake lever. Pre-tighten the two fixing screws. Install the handlebar grip. Plug in the right turn signal terminal. Install the lamp beads facing the front and rear directions. Tighten the fixing screws. Tighten the tightening ring inside the right handlebar grip. Tighten the screws while keeping the brake lever close to the handlebar grip. Fit the raised part of the brake lever into the groove of the right button. Tighten the fixing screws. Insert the terminals of corresponding colors back vertically. Align the raised part with the groove on the forehead and install the hub. Clip the wire harness into the wire buckle. Install the forehead bottom plate. Tighten the two fixing screws. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.